Hey guys, Mubarak here. Thanks for checking out the video. In this episode, we're going to be discussing what a cryptocurrency even is. All right. Now that we're going to start off the course, this course is going to be specific on how you can make money and profit off of trading cryptocurrencies. And so there's a lot of little variances and nuances that have to go that cryptocurrency might cover. But in this one, I just want to talk to you about how it's appropriate or relevant to you as a trader, as somebody who wants to profit off of this. That's what we're going to cover. All right. So just on the most basic level, all right, it's important to know that a cryptocurrency is a digital asset. And what that means essentially is that you can kind of treat it as almost a digital property or a digital currency. Okay, so it's something that you can use as a medium of exchange, as in you can buy things with it and you can sell things with it. So if you guys have heard, I'm sure you know the ones that you can see on even on the screen, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. When you hear about it in the news, people are actually using these cryptocurrencies to buy things. They're going to the store and going to vendors and purchasing items online with this cryptocurrency. All right, and that gives it a medium of exchange that allows you to use it to buy and sell things, which gives it value. All right, once you're using it to trade, almost to barter, that means that people have to define a value that the cryptocurrency is. And so this has allowed for, as you've probably seen, Bitcoin, years ago in the early 2010s, like 2011, 12, 13, 14, it was only a couple dollars, Bitcoin. Now, at the time of this recording, going into 2018, it's almost 10, 20,000. It's hovering around that range. Sometimes it pulls back and then it goes up forward again. So the price of cryptocurrency is quite amazing, really, and in kind of how much it's allowing people to create a new currency, really. You have your US dollar, you have your euro, you have whatever country you're in, people use that to buy and sell. But in this case, what you have is a digital asset, right? It's electronic. There's no piece of paper that backs it. It's purely electronic. It's held online in something called wallets, which I'll explain that concept in a future video. But it's a store of value, and these cryptocurrencies are what we're going to focus on in this course on how you can profit. And it really gets me excited to even think about that, because this is not an opportunity that our parents had, that our older generations had. This is a moment in history that's revolutionary. All right? Nothing like this has been created before. In no other time in history has a digital currency just based off of the blocks of code been created and been worth thousands and thousands of dollars, and used as a medium of exchange. So it's super exciting, and given the time, we need to take advantage of this. All right, that's why I made this course, and that's why I want to help you guys learn how you can make money off of it, because I come from a stock trading background. I've been heavy in the stock market. I run in penny stock, and that's really, I taught people how to trade stocks and how to make money off of it. But what's going on now with cryptocurrencies is almost an extension of that. Cryptocurrencies are acting in the same way that the penny stock markets worked in the 1990s. And so in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money with cryptocurrencies. So we're getting to the exciting part. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.